Welcome to the Auto Paradise, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we dive into the 2025 Aprilia 457 rupees base, a motorcycle that promises to redefine the mid-weight sportbike segment. Aprilia, a brand synonymous with performance and precision, has unleashed this two-wheeled marvel to cater to riders seeking the perfect blend of power, agility, and accessibility. Let's explore what makes the 457 rupees base a standout in its category. Design and aerodynamics. The 457 rupees base is a visual treat, embodying the aggressive and aerodynamic DNA of its bigger siblings, such as the 660 rupees and RS V4. Its sharp lines, LED lighting, and sleek bodywork scream sportbike performance, while maintaining a compact and approachable stance. The twin-pod LED headlight design paired with a sculpted fairing not only enhances its aggressive look but also optimizes airflow for improved aerodynamics. The bike is available in a range of striking color options that highlight its premium finish and Italian craftsmanship. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Aprilia 457 rupees base is a liquid-cooled, 457cc parallel twin engine. Designed to deliver a perfect balance between power and control, this engine produces around 48 horsepower, placing it perfectly within the A2 license bracket for newer riders while still offering enough excitement for seasoned enthusiasts. The lightweight chassis paired with the responsive engine ensures agile handling, making it equally suited for twisty backroads and track day adventures. The bike features a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch, ensuring seamless gear changes and added safety during aggressive downshifting. The engine's linear power delivery and thrilling mid-range torque make it a versatile machine, capable of tackling city commutes and spirited rides with ease. Chassis and suspension. Aprilia's expertise in racing engineering shines through in the RS 457's lightweight aluminum chassis. This setup ensures exceptional stability and sharp handling, inspiring confidence in riders of all skill levels. The suspension system consists of a 41mm USD upside-down fork at the front and a preload adjustable mono-shock at the rear, both tuned to provide a comfortable yet sporty ride. Whether you're carving corners or navigating uneven urban streets, the suspension setup absorbs road imperfections effectively while maintaining precise feedback to the rider. This attention to detail ensures the 457 rupees base feels planted and predictable at all times. Braking and safety features. The Aprilia 457 rupees base doesn't compromise on safety. It comes equipped with a high-performance braking system featuring a 320mm single front disc with a radial-mounted caliper and a 220mm rear disc. The dual-channel ABS ensures controlled braking in all conditions, giving riders peace of mind when pushing the limits. Additionally, the bike features advanced electronic aids, including ride-by-wire throttle and multiple riding modes. These modes allow riders to tailor the bike's performance to their skill level and riding conditions, further enhancing its versatility. Ergonomics and comfort. Despite its sporty credentials, the 457 rupees base offers a surprisingly comfortable riding experience. The slightly relaxed clip-on handlebars and well-padded seats strike a balance between aggressive riding posture and all-day comfort. With a seat height of 820mm and a curb weight of approximately 175 kilograms, the bike is accessible to a wide range of riders, making it an ideal entry point into the world of sport bikes. The ergonomics are complemented by thoughtful design touches such as rear-set footpegs and a narrow profile, which enhance rider control and overall comfort. Technology and features. The Aprilia 457 rupees base is packed with modern features to meet the expectations of today's tech-savvy riders. The bike boasts a full-color TFT display, providing essential information at a glance, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and ride mode settings. The screen is easy to read in all lighting conditions, ensuring you stay informed whether on the road or track. Connectivity features, including smartphone pairing via Bluetooth, allow riders to access navigation, calls, and music controls directly from the display. This integration of technology enhances the overall riding experience, adding a layer of convenience to its performance-oriented design. Competitors and market position. The 457 rupees base enters a highly competitive segment, going head-to-head with models like the KTM RC 390, Kawasaki Ninja 400, and Yamaha R3. However, Aprilia sets itself apart with its racing heritage, premium build quality, and advanced features. The 457 rupees base delivers an unrivaled package of performance, technology, and aesthetics, making it a strong contender for both beginner and experienced riders. Its pricing strategy is also worth noting. While specific figures may vary by region, Aprilia has positioned the 457 rupees base competitively, offering exceptional value for the level of engineering and performance it provides. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Aprilia 457 rupees base is more than just a motorcycle, it's an embodiment of Aprilia's commitment to innovation and performance. With its striking design, potent engine, advanced features, and accessible nature, it's poised to capture the hearts of riders around the globe. Whether you're stepping into the sport bike world for the first time or looking for a capable mid-weight machine, the 457 rupees base is a compelling choice. Thank you for joining us at the Auto Paradise. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Aprilia 457 rupees base, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more reviews, comparisons, and insights into the world of 2 and 4 wheels. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.